So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important community from various companies like the Amazons and Emphasis and other hiring. So if you are the freshers looking for some important internship and opportunity, then this video is for important for you. Talking about the first important opportunity that is from the Amazon, and this is work from home associate ML data operations, Go AI operations, and these will be the locations. Okay, and it is virtual. Clearly mentioned this is the virtual meant work from home, and the roles and responsibility will be like willingness to work in non-tech role, ability to audit image, video, text-based job. So this is a non-tech profile. So if you are interested, you can apply. So any bachelor degree can apply for this, and you will be getting lots of perks and benefits and flexible time. Okay, moving to next important opportunity that is from the Hemut. They are hiring for the role of full-time software engineer and job location is Pune. So this will be your roles and responsibility. You will see full stack product feature across Hemut command and others are there. So the requirement is 2024, 2025 can apply because they are basically asking for some experience. So if you have experience some in software development, then you can apply for that. Moving to next, that is for the freshers role. So the company name is Emphasis, career at Emphasis, and for the role of trainee intern. So there are limited opening, one openings are there, but the job locations is Mumbai. So if you are comfortable in that, you can apply. The knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are apply means required. So apply as soon as possible before link expire, friends. Okay. Moving to next, that is from the Pexera. They are hiring for the various role. Okay, and total 6 roles are there, and job locations will be Hyderabad. So this is basically remote first positions, and they're hiring for the role of software developer and AI engineer. So if you want, you can apply for that. Just refer to the roles and responsibility and you can apply for this. Okay, so you can expect the package till 9.5 lakh per year. So this is wonderful opportunity. Moving to next important thing, that is from the Credex. They are hiring for the role of software developer, and you can get the package till 20 LPA. So far 1000 applicants have been applied. You can apply by 5 June, and these will be the roles and responsibilities. Okay, so the main things, friends, you should be have knowledge of web development, REST API, Python, and other skills are requirement. So beside that, other requirements is engineering experience and other things are there. So just go through the job link in the descriptions and you can apply for it. Moving to next important opportunity, that is for the role of Next.js developer. So if you are from the BCA, MCA, BCS, BCS, MSc, BTech, IT, Computer Science, and have some project experience, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. They are hiring for the role of Next.js developer. Friends, recently TCS have announced the result. First of all, congratulations those who got the result. If you have been selected for interview and want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can fill. If you want to get the real test of interview, then you can fill. We have already provided more than 50 plus selections so far. So अगर आप चाहते हैं कि इंटरव्यू में कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ जाएं, then you can fill the form in the description. Moving to next important opportunity, so they are hiring freshers opportunity for the locations of Pune for the role of support executive, Wipro and Infosys. So you can directly contact them. Okay, be careful before sharing all those details to anyone. Okay, moving to next, that is from the Rupik. They are hiring for the 2026 BTech batch, and stipend you can expect till 15,000 per month. So this is also wonderful opportunity. If you want, you can apply for that. Just refer to complete job in the descriptions like the roles and responsibility. You can get through it. Okay, सो टॉकिंग लिटिल बिट मोर अबाउट दिस. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें लोकेशंस भाई HSR बेंगलुरु है, एंड फुल टाइम कन्वर्जन का चांसेस आपका है. ओके, एंड दिस इज द थिंग्स. ओके, सो देर विल बी 3 टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू, सो यू शुड बी अवेलेबल देयर. Okay, so you have to just fill this form. I will provide form in the description. So the duration will be 6 months, and CS, EC, EEE, IT all can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Remember friends, apply with updated resume, then only you will getting the reward. This is for some experienced candidates like for the role of junior Java developer. So if you have some experience, then you can directly share to this mail ID. Moving to second last important opportunity, so they are hiring for the BTech 2024, 2025, 2026, and this is the recruiter. So if you are interested, you can directly share your resume to this mail ID, especially if you have some knowledge of backend role. Moving to last important opportunity, that is from the for the role of electrical engineer to Applied Material India. So if you want, you can apply for that, especially for the electrical students. So friends, I hope this video informative to you. If you are any query, feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta, anywhere. And please friends, support us. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.